Today, I will teach you how to use STENCIL, an application used for editing images. First, open your Google Chrome and type in getstencil.com and log into your account. Wait for a few moments to load, and as you can see, you have many backgrounds to choose from for your picture. This time, we will search something inclined with education. And let's choose this one. Let's add a text for our image. This time, the lesson we wanted to convey is about the seasons of the Philippines. You can adjust the text by dragging its sides or adjusting its font size using the bar you see in the left side of the screen. As we know, the Philippines has only two seasons, wet season and a dry season. Therefore, the images we will search are connected to these two. We can look for stickers about rainy seasons in this tab. And let's choose this one and drag it all the way to the image. And let's put it right here. Yeah, that's perfect. Next, we will add another sticker that depicts our dry season, which is usually accompanied by a lot of sunlights. Therefore, we will use this sticker that depicts sun. And don't forget to put the text above the sticker so that it will stand out. Aside from these two, you can also add many other types of sticker depending on your preference. If you wanted to add pictures and stickers of people, just search up the word people or humans. Aside from the images you see in the application, you can also add files from your local computer. Just click the upload button and look for the images you wanted to add. Let's try this one. And wait for a bit for the upload, and there you go. The image is now uploaded. And with the same method, you can drag those images to your edited picture, just like this. I'll just drag this little sombrero to the left side and the corner and add a derpy face as an additional for my design. And there we go. A little more edit here and voila. Now, if you think you are done from editing your image, it's time to save your work. Click this button down here and wait for it to load. As you can see, the file is now loading. The loading speed for saving depends on the computer riggings of your computer. The better your computer have, the faster loading speed you'll have. And wait a little bit more and download. After download, you can immediately check the picture. And we have our picture here.